Hello, my name is Kalita and I'm here today to show you the Jiggity website and how to navigate it. There are actually 3 ways that you can find the products that you're looking for on Jiggity, so I'm going to show you all of those right now. The first way that you can do that is by looking at the different categories listed in this purple bar up at the top of Jiggity. So for example, if you were interested in fashion, you would move your mouse over the top and you see that you can choose from clothing, footwear, and accessories. So if you click on accessories, for example, you will see that at the top there are 3 different categories underneath accessories that you can choose from to filter your products, or you can just look at all of the accessories at once. You'll notice here that there is a filtering option. So the default right now is to show the newest items first. But if you click there, you can actually sort the products in different ways. So for example, you might be interested in sorting this by price, maybe from low to high. So if you click that, it will show the cheapest items first. If you sort by price and then you select sort by discount, you might not see the cheapest product first, but you might see what is on the biggest sale first. So this is a great way to kind of look through Jiggity at what different products are available within your budget for what you're looking for. I'm just going to go back to the home page, and in order to do that, you click on the top left-hand button that says jiggity.ca, and that will always take you back to the home page. The second way that you can look for something on Jiggity is to search the products. So let's say, for example, that you were interested in soap. You can just type soap in at the top, and then when you press enter, you will see that there are all kinds of soap that comes up without needing to browse through the categories. The third way that you can look for products is to look specifically by vendor. So once again, I'm just going to click in the top left-hand corner to go back to the home page, and I'm going to scroll down here. And just after the featured products, you will see that there is a vendor spotlight, and then you can view all vendors. So if you click this button, you'll be able to see a list of all of the vendors that we have alphabetically, as well as a map of where they are located. As you saw with the product, you can also click the drop-down menu here and change it so that you are sorting alphabetically from Z to A instead of A to Z. But let's say that you're interested in the Amherst Artisan Gallery. You can actually click here and you can learn more about this vendor by looking on the left-hand side, and there will be a little bit of writing to explain to you about the vendor. You'll see here that it lists the hours of operation for this store, as well as giving you more information. So they have a Facebook page or another website that you could go and look at, and you could click these links to take you to the other web pages. You'll also notice that it shows all of the products that that vendor is selling currently on Jiggity. So let's say, for example, that you are interested in this glass starfish pendant. You actually have 2 ways that you can learn a little bit more information about that necklace. One way is through the quick view. So a quick view is like a pop-up. So it'll give you just a very basic piece of information about this starfish pendant and give you the opportunity to add it to the cart. I'm going to close out. And the other way to look at it is just to click on the product overall. And here you can see that there's a little bit more information written for the description, and that there's also similar products within the fashion area that are being suggested. Once again, you can also add this to your cart. When you do that, you'll see that there are 2 options: check out or continue shopping. If you don't click either, the pop-up will just disappear and you can keep going with shopping. Another way that you can choose different products is when a product has multiple options, you can actually select from a drop-down menu what you want. So for example, under fashion, if you look at accessories, you will see that the third option is a belt. So if you click there, you can see that there's a belt listed here. And then there are these drop-down menus, one for texture, one for color, and one for size. So this is acknowledging that not all belts are the same. And if you look through their pictures, you can actually see some of the varieties of belts that they have available. So this would be an example of an embossed belt. You can also see that sometimes they have extra holes for their belts, or they can just be smooth. So that's talking about texture. Let's say that you are interested in an embossed belt. If there is a price difference, it will actually show up automatically when you choose that particular item from the drop-down list. The next option is for color. So you have 4 options: brown, chestnut, tan, or black. So let's say that you're interested in a black embossed belt. And then there's also an option for size. So you might have a general idea, oh, I think I'm about a medium. But you'll notice if you scroll down, in the description here, they actually ask you to specify your waist size in the comment section of your order by measuring your waist or an old belt to make sure. So it's always a good idea to read the description to make sure that you're getting a product that you'll be happy with at the end. Once you've decided that you are interested in this product and you have added it to your cart, you once again have the option to go directly to checkout, or you can just scroll up to the top and you'll see My Cart. If you click here, you will notice that you can either view your cart or check out. So if you click View Cart, this gives you the opportunity to take a look at the items that you have put into your cart and then decide, well, maybe I'm interested in that starfish pendant, but not today. And then you can just click the X here and it will automatically remove from your cart. It will also give you an idea down here in the bottom right hand corner what the cost would be for taxes and for shipping by weight. But you can also change your shipping option. So if you click here, you can see, okay, it's for New Brunswick, Sackville. That's not quite the postal code, but that's okay. Get rates. And then the options are either to ship by weight or to pick up at store. So maybe you're more interested in picking it up at store, and so you say select shipping method, and then you'll notice that that will change over here what your total cost is. When you're ready to proceed to checkout, you will see that there are also these options listed here. But if for some reason you have the wrong address or if nothing is showing up, you can actually change where you are. So maybe you're actually in Nova Scotia. And you'll see here that everything goes black and it says enter state and city and click here to update shipping rates. So let's say that we're actually in Amherst and the postal code is B4H. All that you do is click here and now it will adjust if there is a difference in shipping rates. If you are interested in picking it up, you just make sure that this is the highlighted section that has the green around it. Or if you'd prefer for it to be shipped to your home, you can click here and then the green will go around that. Please note that there is also a section for customers' notes. So this is where you would write in, for example, that the belt that you want might be 35 inches long. If you do want to pick up at store, you will need to select a pickup point. So here their option is from their in-person shopping place. So you would just click that and then you can continue on and see that area for customers' notes. From there, all you need to do is type in your payment methods just like it shows up on your card. And if you have a different billing address than the shipping address, you can check this box and fill in your different billing address. If it is the same, then you just leave it like this. And then when you're ready, you press place order. So that's really all that there is to navigating the site. At any point, if you did want to go back to the main page, you just click up here in the top left hand corner that says jiggity.ca. But you'll also notice here it says need help, click here, and you would be able to do that and then send a message for help using your own email address. So for right now, I'm going to go back to the home page. And as you can see, that belt is still in my cart, but maybe now I'm interested in going back and seeing what's on sale. And so I can come in here and browse through. And let's say that I'm interested in the olive wood cheese board. All that you have to do is click Quick View and Add to Cart, and then check out or continue shopping. And that's as easy as it is. So keep in mind that you can search for products 3 ways, either by vendor, by category, or by searching for the product, and then that you can always filter your products by different avenues, so whether that be by price or alphabetically. And then when you go to your cart, don't forget to put in your address so that it will correctly calculate your shipping rates. I hope that this tutorial has been useful for you, and I look forward to seeing you shop on Jiggity soon. Have a great day!